Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to replace headlight switch on Audi A4, B6 and B7 in 5 simple steps. Be sure that you have headlight switch set it to 0. Then press on the middle button and then rotate to the right side. Then pull the headlight switch out. Now you can see the cables, so you have to disconnect the cables from the back, squeezing those two tabs. And that's it. You can find new headlight switch like this or the repair kit for this in the video description below. So you can change the whole part, or you can change only the cover, the cap from the headlight switch. This is the harness. You have to squeeze those two tabs from the side. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. When you get the new one, connect the new headlight switch to the cables. And then place the new headlight switch in the same position that you removed the old one. And then rotate the middle button to 0. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.